also. Okay. So class 9 revision, practice set 1. Okay. Fill the details properly, appropriate detail. Enter the email ID which is activated, otherwise you will not get the marks. So enter a valid email address, enter your name, and of course admission number. And again, I would like to say that it is not like that you will get the right answer after submission. No. Okay, you will not get the right answer. So don't try to be over smart. It will be wastage of time only. Okay, so if you have filled the information, basic information, then we can move to the first question. The first question, fill in the blank, and it is a question of English grammar. I have not seen him for several days. He dashed to his granny's house. So options are may have gone, might have gone, may go. So you need to read the question again, and you need to find out the tense also. Clear? In which tense it is. Then only you will be able to select the right option. Okay. And if you want to share the answer in chat box, then also you can do it. But be careful, don't share it with everyone. Yes, Rishabh, the link is shared again. You can click on it and fill the basic information. Okay. I think you have got it, Rishabh. Okay. So I have not seen him for several days. He dashed to his granny's house. He may have gone, he might gone, he might have gone, or he may go. Network is okay. Don't do it in a hurry, because just make a target that there will be 15 right answers. Okay. You will have to give correct answer to the all question. That is very important. Next, here it is a question from literature. Beneath all uniforms, a single body breathes. In this line, dash figure of speech is used. So the first option, onomatopoeia, personification, simile, metaphor. Now,
Sir, link भेजो.
you have not got the link.
No, sir.
I think you are late. Okay. Yes, the link is shared again. You can find it in chat box. Okay, so this question, see, uh, in figure of speech, you need to know what is onomatopoeia, what is personification, what is simile, what is metaphor.
Sir, completed.
इस लड़की का क्या करूं? तुम्हें इतना जल्दी कंप्लीट कर दे, तुमको तुमको लगता है सब सही है तुम्हारा आंसर? श्रेल, श्रेल,
Yes, sir.
तुमको इतना जल्दी करने के लिए कौन बोला? तुम्हारा सब आंसर सही है? क्या हुआ? क्या लगता है तुमको? तुम्हारे सारे आंसर सही है? Come on. What I will do with this? Okay, recently someone has joined. I know who is that. मेरा तो yes, Labdhi, just click on this link now. Okay, Labdhi, you have got the link and try to solve it. So, beneath all uniforms or single body breaths, in this line, dash figure of speech is used. If you know what is onomatopoeia, then I mean, you need to know all the figure of speech, then only you can select the correct one. And of course, there are three wrong answers and one right answer. So I told you that when you don't know the exact answer, you should do the elimination process so that you can understand which one is correct option. है ना? तीनों को वो तीन को निकालो जो गलत हो सकता है. Okay, Agam, I don't know why do you need the link again. I have shared with you. Next, to understand Dash theory of relativity, Dash must have proper concept of gravity, space, and time. So the first option, a one, second option, the one, third option, everyone, fourth option, the every. So to understand, if you go with first option, so sentence will be to understand a theory of relativity, one must have proper concept of gravity. If you go with second option, the sentence will be to understand the theory of relativity, one must have proper concept of gravity, space, and time. If you go with third option, so it will be to understand a theory of relativity, everyone must have proper concept of gravity, space, and time. And the last one, to understand the to understand the theory of relativity, every must have proper concept of gravity, space, and time. Well, so if I ask you, question number third is a question
Done.
upon which part of English grammar? Can you tell me? I mean, a one, the one, what are these? Yes, question number three is a question of what?
The determinators.
Determinators नहीं होता बेटा, determiners. Okay. Okay, so now I can see 33 participants. Recently, if you have joined, or let me check if anyone is twice entered. Well, who have joined just now, please inform me. I will share the link, and it is already 10:06. Why are you late? I don't know. Well, next, move to the fourth question. There was an eminent and positive change in the life of Lushkov. Okay. Lushkov means which story? Can anybody tell me? I'm not getting the name of the story. I think it is.
The beggar.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
I think it is If I Were You.
No, sir, the beggar.
Yes, of course it is. The beggar. So there was an eminent and positive change in the life of Lushkov. What was the reason? First, because Lushkov was not told to do so. Second, Sergei alone brought the change. Third, Olga did not help him anyway. And fourth, it was because Sergei and Olga both helped him to get a better life. So this is, I think, most what do you say, easiest question of this practice set one. Next, don't copy this answer from anywhere. So again, English grammar and of course reported speech. So I hope you must have chosen the correct option. The teacher requested us not to copy this answer from anywhere. The teacher warned us not to copy this answer from anywhere. The teacher warned us not to copy that answer from anywhere. And the fourth option, the teacher asked us to copy this answer from anywhere. So yes, choose the correct option. And just a minute, let me see how many of you have submitted. Okay, 11 students have submitted, and I don't know how many you have done correctly. Next, question number 6. Okay, question number 6, what does it say? Now listen here. I have got this all planned. I did a job in town. Things went wrong and I killed a cop. Since then, I have done nothing but dodge. Yes, which story it is? This line is taken from which story?
If I were you.
Okay,
If
and
I were you.
exactly. And the characters, can you tell me the name of the characters?
Sir, the intruder.
Yes, and
Garrett.
okay, 2 characters are there only. Okay, so what does mean by dodge? Now you can see an intruder who is a victim. Second option, to change place quickly in order to avoid being caught. Third option, to change identity quickly in order to avoid being caught. And last option, all of these. So I think the fourth option is right. By the way, don't listen me. I mean, when I'm saying the answer, don't believe on me. I always will tell you wrong answer. Next, migratory birds dash kilometers to find the best ecological conditions and habitats for feeding, breeding, and raising their young. So it is a question of subject verb agreement and tense. So which one is right option? First option, fly thousands of kilometers. Second option, flown thousands of kilometers. Third option, flies thousands of kilometers. And fourth option, fly thousands in kilometers to find the best ecological conditions. So yes, if you know the subject verb concord or subject verb agreement properly, if you have proper idea, then of course you will choose the right option. Well, I will tell you the right option definitely. Next, question number 8. Ustad Bismillah Khan never visited any overseas country as he had immense love towards his birthplace. Now, if you think it is true, then click on true. And if you think, yes, it is a false statement, so click on false. Okay, and one more thing I would like to say you, it will happen that the sentence may seem partially true, but we can't accept any sentence which is partially true. We will consider it as false. Okay. Next, the increasing pollution of the world dash to keep our earth habitable. Here you have to choose a phrase which is you can say combination of model verb and tense, of course. So the increasing pollution of the world should be controlled, would be controlled, may be controlled, or must be controlled to keep our earth habitable. So I think this is a easy question. Okay. Okay, Sakshi and Bhavya, they are saying they have submitted. Well, I wish you have given 15 correct answer. Well, now question number 10. Which of the following statements is not true? यहाँ पर confusion create होता है. ठीक है, हम not को पढ़ते नहीं, तो In this question, there will be three correct statements and one wrong statement. Okay. So we need to find out a wrong statement. Yeah, you can say untrue. So the first option, that is Margie and Tommy both had an experience of old school. I think so. Margie was not compatible with her classroom. Don't know. So Tommy had more knowledge than Margie about the old school, perhaps. And the last one, according to the story, the fun they had, real teacher could be obsolete in future. Now, my dear students, you need to find out the wrong statement. If you get the wrong statement, of course, we choose it. And I can see many of you have already submitted. Let me see how many of, okay, 19. That's good, but I told you to take time, 2 minutes for each question, because you need to you need to achieve 15 out of 15. Okay, each question contains 1 mark. Next, question number 11th, reported speech. Well, now here you have to do what do you say, direct to indirect or indirect to direct. Question number 11th, you have to make it indirect to direct. Okay. So the question is, the editor said that he had not published any controversial news in his newspaper. Well, so what would be the right option? Let us read. The editor said, I have not published any controversial news in my newspaper. Second, the editor said, I have not published any controversial news in his newspaper. The editor said, I had not published any controversial news in my newspaper. And the fourth option is, the editor said, I have not published any controversial news in my newspaper. So, well, if you ask me, I don't know the right answer. You should think and you should give right answer. Next, I think he dashed time to solve the question, but he had practiced dash times before. I think he had not enough time to solve the question, but he had practiced many times before. If you go with first option, the sentence will be like this. If you would go with second option, the sentence will be, I think he had not enough time to solve the question, but he had practiced dash times before. Third option, I think he had not enough time to solve the question, but he had practiced many times before. The last option, I think he had not enough time to solve the question, but he had practiced much times before. So, yes, if you put logic, okay, if you put your logic, then of course you will get the right answer, of course. Okay, question number 13th. 13th में क्या बोला जा रहा है? So question can be asked in this way also. Okay, here you can see that it is not asked directly which figure of speech is that. It has been asked in different way. So which of the followings is an example of a simile? So there are 4 lines taken from The Road Not Taken, of course. Now you have to find out in which line simile is applied. Okay, so in this way also I can ask question. So the first option, and be one traveler long I stood. Do you think this is simile? Okay, click on it. Next, because it was grassy and wanted wear. I don't know. Next, to where it bent in the undergrowth. हो सकता है. Next, then took the other just as fair. So yes, if you choose right option, so you get 1 mark. If you choose wrong option, then you get rasgulla. Okay. Well, next question number 14. 14th, very easy question. We dash know about traffic rules. We should know, we would know, we could know, we ought to know. So choose the right option. It is a question of modal verb. Well, the last question. What made Prashant a hero? First option, willpower, helping nature, leadership. Willpower, helping nature, leadership, anger. And third option, willpower, compassion, leadership, dictatorship. And the last option is none of these. So, of course, if you have completed your sample papers, of course, you will be able to solve it, because in that there is a question like this. Okay, so sample paper came in my mind, and I have got from two students only. One Harit is there, and another, I think, Shital. Yeah, two students have sent me the answer sheet of the sample paper. Okay, but it is disappointing that out of 61 students, I have got only two. Absolutely pathetic. Well, now I'm going to tell you the right answer, and I think you can remember what option you have chosen. Okay. So I have not seen him for several days. Let me do it like this way. Well, I want to also. Chalo, I need not to participate. I will only. Okay, Chelna Jain, you have sent answer. Okay, through WhatsApp. Chelna, through WhatsApp you have sent me.
No, sir, I have emailed.
Okay.
No, sir. Sir, BJP English, I have emailed.
Okay, okay. Okay, so few students have sent through email also. Okay, no problem.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. I will definitely check it. Yes, so first question, I have not seen him for several days. He dashed to his granny's house. Yes, tell me which one is the right option. Now you can tell me. Unmute yourself and tell me fast, 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 fast. Which option is correct?
Sir, third one.
Third
The
one,
third
yes.
one.
Yes, exactly. The right option is third one. He might have gone to his granny's house. May have gone, not wrong होगा, might gone तो होगा ही नहीं, may go भी wrong है. So the right option is might have gone, because we are talking about the work it is already done. Okay. Yes, Bhavya, the email ID which you have entered, okay, in that email ID the mark will be shared. Okay. Next, beneath all uniforms or single body breads in this line, what figure of speech is used? Yes, which option is correct?
Sir,
Metaphor, metaphor. Yes.
Metaphor.
Exactly. Onomatopoeia तो हो नहीं सकता क्योंकि इसमें कोई साउंड नहीं है. Personification भी नहीं हो सकता क्योंकि किसी को पर्सनिफाई नहीं किया गया. Simile नहीं हो सकता क्योंकि इसमें as और like नहीं है. So एक ही बचता है हमारा, वो है metaphor. Yes, good, right. Next, to understand the theory of relativity, one must have proper concept of gravity, space, and time. So the right option is second one. Yes.
second one.
Yes. Question number 4. Yes. Tell me fast. First one, second one, third one, fourth one. Which one?
Second.
Okay. So because Lashkov was not told to do so, no. Sergei alone brought the change. No, it is also wrong. Sergei alone. Sergei
fourth
did
one.
not do that alone. Olga did not help him anyway. No, Olga helped him many ways. So the last option is absolutely correct. It was because Sergei and Olga both helped him to get a better life. Yes. Question number 5. I think you are also adding your marks. Okay. Don't copy this answer from anywhere, said the teacher. So yes, the right option
Sir,
will be.
second one.
बेटा second one कैसे होगा? This का that करना पड़ेगा ना?
Second one.
यहाँ भी this है और second में भी this है, तो this का this करना पड़ेगा, that करना पड़ेगा ना बेटा? So the right option is third one actually. The teacher warned us not to copy that answer from anywhere. Okay, यहाँ पर एक प्रॉब्लम होता है तो ध्यान से, इसीलिए बोलता हूँ कि क्वेश्चन को अच्छे से पढ़ो, ऑप्शन को भी अच्छे से पढ़ो, काहे जल्दबाजी करते समझ नहीं आता है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. Now listen here. I have got this all planned. I did a job in town. Things went wrong and I killed a cop. Since then, I have done nothing but dodge. What does mean by dodge? Yes, yes. What you have selected? Tell me.
Second option.
Second option, sure. Second option says the change
All of
to
these.
change.
Yes, sir.
All of these, sir.
All of these
All of
कैसे
these.
होगा बेटा? All of this नहीं
The
होगा. The correct option is the second one, to change place quickly in order to avoid being caught. वो पुलिस से भाग रहा था ना. Now see, अगर आपको dodge का मतलब पता भी नहीं है तो आप उस सेंटेंस को पढ़ के भी समझ सकते हो ना. Things went wrong and I killed a cop. मैं एक पुलिस को मारा. अब भाई पुलिस वाले को मारोगे तो फिर ऑफ कोर्स आपके पीछे पुलिस ही पड़ेंगे, ठीक है ना. तो आपके पीछे पुलिस पड़ गया तो आप क्या करोगे? आप प्लेस को चेंज करोगे इन ऑर्डर टू अवॉइड बीइंग कॉट, है ना. सो द राइट ऑप्शन इज to change place quickly in order to avoid being caught. And by the way, if you have completed your notes, then you should know the meaning of dodge. Okay, notes से याद आया, बहुत लोगों का नोट्स अभी तक शायद नहीं आया है, तो नोट्स को भी कंप्लीट करके जल्दी से सबमिट कर दो 15 फेब के पहले, ठीक है. उसके बाद फिर एक्सेप्ट नहीं किया जाएगा. नेक्स्ट, माइग्रेटरी बर्ड्स डैश किलोमीटर्स. सो अब यहाँ पर हमें सब्जेक्ट वर्ब एग्रीमेंट का लॉजिक लगाना है. बर्ड्स तो है तो ऑफ कोर्स फ्लाइज नहीं होगा, फ्लोन भी नहीं हो सकता क्योंकि सब्जेक्ट के बाद डायरेक्ट थर्ड फॉर्म नहीं होता है. तो फ्लाइज और फ्लोन तो कट गया, बचा क्या? फ्लाई फर्स्ट और फोर्थ बच गया. तो विच वन इज करेक्ट? व्हाट डू यू थिंक?
First.
Sir, first one.
First one, exactly. First one is correct. The birds fly thousands of kilometers. फ्लोन हो नहीं सकता क्योंकि सब्जेक्ट के बाद डायरेक्ट कभी थर्ड फॉर्म नहीं आता है ना. फ्लोन थर्ड फॉर्म है. और फ्लाई का सेकंड फॉर्म क्या है? व्हाट इज द सेकंड फॉर्म ऑफ फ्लाई? जल्दी बोलो, 5 मिनट बचा है.
Flew.
Exactly. Fly, flew, flown. So the first option is correct. Next, उस्ताद बिस्मिल्लाह खान never visited any overseas country. ये false statement है. ट्रू कैसे होगा बेटा? वो तो यूएस गए थे ना, यूएस गए थे, अफगानिस्तान गए थे, तो ओवरसीज कंट्री हुआ ना. ठीक है, ये स्टेटमेंट पूरी तरह से सही नहीं है, इसीलिए हम इसे फॉल्स मानेंगे. ठीक है, बिस्मिल्लाह खान विजिटेड ओवरसीज कंट्री. हाँ, ये बात सही है कि वो अपने देश से बहुत प्यार करते थे, लेकिन इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि वो विजिट नहीं किए थे, वो बसना नहीं चाहे. He did not want to be a citizen of any overseas country. ठीक है. Next, question number 9. The increasing pollution of the world dash to keep our earth inhabitable. So ये भी एक बहुत easy question है. Yes, tell me. 2 ही 3 लोग बोलते हैं, बाकी लोग पता नहीं कहाँ गए. हाँ?
Fourth one.
First.
Should be controlled.
Should
be controlled.
first.
Should be controlled.
लेकिन ये कोई 50-50 वाला ऑप्शन नहीं है ना बेटा. आई मीन इंक्रीजिंग पॉल्यूशन को शुड बोलना थोड़ा अजीब नहीं लग रहा है? उसको तो भाई अर्थ को हैबिटेबल बनाए रखना. हैबिटेबल मतलब
Must be controlled.
Maybe control.
मे भी कैसे हो सकता है? ठीक है, ये एक ऐसा काम है जो करना ही चाहिए हमें, है ना. we must control the pollution, otherwise earth will be inhabitable, है ना, रहने लायक रहेगा नहीं. तो 9th का हो गया. उसके बाद 10th का आगे बढ़ते हैं. which of the following statements is not true?
Should will be not there.
First one, Margie and Tommy. Both.
क्वेश्चन नंबर
first
9th
one.
का आंसर होगा मस्ट बी कंट्रोल्ड, और 10th का आंसर होगा ये पहला. Margie and Tommy both had an experience of old school. No, they did not have any kind of experience of old school. Next, the editor said that he had not published. Okay, so he had not, so it is a past perfect tense. So we have to find out the present perfect tense. ठीक है, ये लॉजिक यूज कर सकते हो आप. In indirect speech it is past perfect tense, so in direct speech it would be of course present perfect tense. तो present perfect tense में ये एक है, ये एक है और ये है. थर्ड को हम लोग छुएंगे भी नहीं क्योंकि यहाँ had not आ गया. अब आगे देखते हैं. यहाँ पर एक प्रॉब्लम है कि यहाँ पर हिज बोला गया है. आई हैव नॉट पब्लिश्ड एनी कंट्रोवर्शियल न्यूज इन ह्यूज न्यूज़पेपर, तो ये हो गया रॉन्ग. अब बचा क्या? पहला और चौथा, फर्स्ट एंड फोर्थ. तो फोर्थ में भी एक प्रॉब्लम है, आई हैव नॉट पब्लिश हम लोग यूज नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि थर्ड फॉर्म यूज करना होगा. तो ऑफ कोर्स द राइट ऑप्शन विल बी फर्स्ट वन. आई हैव नॉट पब्लिश्ड एनी कंट्रोवर्शियल न्यूज इन माय न्यूज़पेपर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 12. I think he dash time to solve the question, but he had practiced before. So कौन सा वाला ऑप्शन सही होगा?
Third.
कौन सा वाला? फर्स्ट वन. आई थिंक ही हैव नॉट. ही के बाद हैव तो लगता ही नहीं है. ठीक है, तो
सर ही हैड होगा.
हाँ, और टाइम्स के पहले मच तो नहीं लगा सकते. टाइम्स, मेनी टाइम्स बोलते हैं हम लोग, मच टाइम्स तो नहीं बोलते.
मैनी.
हाँ, सो द राइट ऑप्शन इज थर्ड वन. 30 के लिए which of the following is an example of simile? Yes, now I would like to hear from you. कौन सा है simile का एग्जांपल? जल्दी बता.
Sir, last.
4.
हाँ, एग्जैक्टली लास्ट वन, बिकॉज इसी में है as. जिस लाइन में as और like आ गया मतलब वही simile है, ऐसे याद रख सकते हो. नेक्स्ट 14th. We should, would, could, ought to. Which one is correct? We dash know about traffic rules.
Should.
We ought to know. देखो should
Should.
और should नहीं, should से ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है ना. should कब बोलते हैं? जब 50-50% होता है. तो ट्रैफिक रूल्स को जानना हमें जरूरी है. 50% से ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है ना वो. ठीक है, तो यहाँ मस्ट होता तो मस्ट यूज करते हैं, लेकिन यहाँ शुड से ज्यादा अप्रोप्रिएट कौन है? ought to. शुड और मस्ट के बीच में रहता है ought to, so that's why we will use ought to. We ought to know about traffic rules. Next, what made Prashant a hero? So of course we will go with which option? None of these.
First.
Yes, first one. Third में क्या प्रॉब्लम है?
Dictatorship.
हाँ, डिक्टेटरशिप. प्रशांत एक डिक्टेटर नहीं थे और ना ही उसके अंदर एंगर था. तो ये दोनों क्वालिटी तो कट गया. अब नन ऑफ दिस हो नहीं सकता क्योंकि पहला वाला ऑप्शन हमें सही लग रहा है. वी विल विल पावर, हेल्पिंग नेचर, लीडरशिप. यस. सो अब बताओ किसको किसको 15 मिला है? ओनली 22 रेस्पॉन्सेस. अच्छा, 27 हो गया है. बट देयर वाज 33 स्टूडेंट्स. Okay. Okay, then time is over now. So in the group, I will tell you on which chapters there will be practice set 2. Okay. So keep watching the official group, and it is the time to say goodbye.